Under the round pen? There's not really a way up right there. I mean, there is, but you're not going to like it. You going to try it anyway? You're putting your foot up. You waiting for an Uber? You need help? Alright, little man. There you go. Happy days. Okay, hold on, Mom's doing a sky check. Alright, we're looking okay. Yeah, you're moving really quickly. I'm walking on wooden logs here, so. Sky check. Do you want to stay out here or you want to go inside? What are you thinking? You doing okay? You want to go in? Okay. Okay, the wind's over. Yeah, do you want to stay out? Yeah? Okay. There you go. I mean, there's still wind, but it's not that strong. You're cute. There's my baby though. Yeah, come down. Okay.